Hey everybody, it's Beth. I'm starting with this ivory fabric that I got from Walmart. I then took 2 styrofoam balls that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm putting the styrofoam in the fabric and then just placing it down into a shape that I want and cutting off the excess. So these are going to be little ghosts. One of them I made a little bit longer than the other. I also grabbed this cheesecloth that I got from Walmart as well. Wrap that around the fabric, hanging over a little bit further than it and cutting off the excess on the bottom. I just hold it and scrunch it up in my hand and then just cut it. It doesn't need to be straight. I wanted it to be a little bit messy and different lengths. I also grabbed these yard balloon sticks from Dollar Tree, and they come with these little stands, and the plastic tubing is a little bit on the thicker side, so it was perfect for this project. I put one of the plastic tubes in the stand and held it up along my little ghost to get the height I needed to cut. One stick was long enough for both of them, so just cut those down. And then take the styrofoam balls back out and hook glue them into the other end of the sticks. Next, I'm taking this black ribbon. It's more of a fabric material, and I'm cutting oval shapes. I need 4 of them. And this you could use felt or fabric, or you could even draw them on. I just cut out the oval shape and then use that first one to use as a guide to cut the other 3. I then remove the cheesecloth off of each of them, and I just daub hot glue on top of where the styrofoam ball is and place down 2 ovals on each. After I have those glued on, I place back on the cheesecloth. I then take the little ghost and I bunch it up right below the styrofoam ball, making sure that the eyes aren't covered by any excess fabric. And I wrap twine around that a few times and knot it in the back. And I do that to both. Next, I took these stamps and a stamp block. They both came from Dollar Tree. And I'm spelling out boo and eek. And I am using these tags that I got from Dollar Tree that I coffee stained and stamping on those words, one on each. I then take a piece of twine, and I didn't want it to be so thick, so I just kind of took it apart and took a small piece of the twine and put it through the tag, and then tied that around the neck as well. And then the last thing I do is take each of them and put some hot glue on the bottom of those balloon stands and hot glue those to some wood slices that I got from Amazon. That'll just give them a little bit more stability and they won't be so top heavy. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.